Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today our lecture is exercise 6.10, question number 4. The difference of two number is 4. The sum of twice of one number and 3 times of the other number is 43. Find the numbers. Here we have to find two numbers. So first we assume the numbers. First number is equals to x and second number is equals to y. Now according to statement, in one statement they ask that the difference of two numbers, so x minus y is equals to 4 is our first equation, and they are also asked that the twice of number addition in 3 times of another number is equals to 43. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 43 is our second equation. We have to find the numbers. So to find the numbers, first we equate the coefficient and variable of one variable to find the other variable. So to equate, multiply equation 1 with 2. 2 into x minus y is equals to 4 into 2. So 2x minus 2y is equals to 4 to the 8 is our third equation. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 43. 2x minus 2y is equals to 8. So by subtracting, the signs are changed, minus, plus, minus. Plus 2x it starts with minus 2x, and plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 5y is equals to plus minus 43 minus 8 is equals to 35. For 5 here multiplied with y, when put on other side it must be divided. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. Y is equals to 7. Y's value is 7. By putting value of y in equation 1, x minus y is equals to 4. X minus, by putting value of y 7 is equals to 4. X, here 7 is in minus form. When put on other side it must be added. So x is equals to 4 plus 7. X is equals to 11. Thus required numbers are 7 and 11. Question number 5. Adnan is 7 years older than Adil. Find their ages when 1/4 of Adnan's age is equals to the 1/2 of Adil's age. So here they want ages of Adil and Adnan. We don't know about the ages of Adnan and Adil. So here we assume the ages. Let Adil's age is equals to x and Adnan's age is x plus 7 years. So according to statement, 1/4 of x plus 7 is equals to half of x. So 1 multiply with x plus 7 divided by 4 is equals to x by 2. Here by cross multiplication, 4 into x is equals to 2 into x plus 7. 4x is equals to 2x plus 14. 4x, here 2x in positive form, when put on other side it must be subtracted from 4x. 4x minus 2x is equals to 14. 4x minus 2x is equals to 2x is equals to 14. Here 2 is multiplied with x. When put on other side it must be divided. So 14 divided by 2. X is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So x is equals to 7. Here we find the value of x. Adil's age is equals to x. So is equals to 7 years. Adil's age is 7 years. Now Adnan's age is equals to x plus 7. So by putting value of x, 7 plus 7 years is equals to 14 years. So Adnan's age is 14 years. Thus Adil's age is 7 years and Adnan's age is 14 years. Question number 7. The denominator of a fraction is 5 more than the numerator. But if we subtract 2 from the numerator and denominator of the fraction, we get 1 by 6. Find the fraction. So first we assume the numerator because the denominator is more than numerator. So let the numerator is equals to x and the denominator is equals to x plus 5. Now according to statement, they said that we subtract 2 from numerator and denominator. So x minus 2 divided by x plus 5 minus 2 is equals to 1 by 6. So when we subtract this, x minus 2 divided by x plus minus 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. X plus 3 is equals to 1 by 6. Now by cross multiplication, 6 into x minus 2 is equals to 1 into x plus 3. 6x minus 6 to the 12 is equals to x plus 3. 6x minus x. Here x is minus because in other side x in positive form. When we put on other side, it subtracted from 6x. 6x minus x is equals to, here 12 in negative form. When put on other side, it must be added. So 3 plus 12. 6x minus x is equals to 5x is equals to 3 plus 12 is equals to 15. Here 5 in multiply with the x, so when we put on other side, it must be divided. So x is equals to 15 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So x is equals to 3. Our numerator is x, so our numerator is equals to 3. Now the denominator is equals to x plus 5. So by putting value of x, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So denominator is equals to 8. In fraction, we write the numerator on up and we write the denominator on down form in. So 3 divided by 8 is our fraction. Thus required fraction is 3 divided by 8. Thank you.